So here we are down at White River, and you can see these rafts are getting loaded to go back upriver.
Yeah, man, that's a rich man thing. That's what they look. No decoration. If you want to go there, you want to go, you want to leave it. But Captain Railway Rafting is very decoration. You're going to love it. It's so luxury, like the BMW. Very pretty flowers, very tops and everything. Music loud, everything. Check me out. 23-152-27, that's my number. Captain Andrew at the White River.
So what we see here, this is mass production back here, folks.
That's no good.
That's not Jamaica in
No,
style.
it's not that Jamaican. But if you white people want to come and go like a drop top, it's right there, like a drop top. No decoration, drop top. Rain fall and wet you up if you want to get wet. That's it. But we got the Benz, like you live in luxury. So relax.
Living loud and luxurious.
Luxurious.
Those are luxury rafts.
Smoking weed, everything you want to come to Jamaican check. No, I got everything. You see me, Captain Andrew, 23-152-27.
All right.
Yeah, that's my WhatsApp number.
Yeah, man.